My name is Mayel Andrea Corredor Herrera. Code is 202012817. Hungers unit the friends. There were 3 friends, a Wendy and Berry and Skin's cat, a lady scary mouse and Berry with owl. They lie in the forest and everyone and their own way wanted to own the food and the best places to sleep and was. One day Mr. K was walking from one side to the other, his stomach growling because he was very hungry. Cat, what will you do? It's your ears, hungry as I am right now. Mouse, I will run endlessly. They began an argument that was becoming louder soon Mr. Owl, with one resting at their bay and walking along. Night loud through the leaves and asked the cat, very surprised to realize that someone was looking at his intention as cat. The cat and looking at him, savoring himself and replied, "You cannot of a marhar in the middle of the forest. I will really let you go and know a young." The owl analyzed the situation, wanting to prevent the mouse from becoming the cat's look and proposed a solution. Or last night, if with love now I can make it be legitimate. If we are no heroines, you arrive, you can look for us in the big car. If you feel very hungry, then over the fast way. Ayo, Finn, I like this fish for me will be friends. I use think of waterfalls. I might be die young now. Don't you want to eat meat? Yes, I think I can trust you. It was so hungry it wouldn't want to eat you. It were whether it cold was you and mighty gaddy your call. If there was a lot of food, I would share I want as my friends. Maybe it would that I wasn't at my only greens there. Maybe if we're a cat, it won't eat much only greens the diets. Suddenly a flutter was heard. I was the all white hamburgers for everyone's screaming. That was what happened. It also you had. I decided to change the menu so as no hurt and feels. Where's the yogurt in the city and McDonald's is very far. We already decided if we aren't our friends whether we take car or at or